Greetings to all. After the discovery of protons and electrons, there is a question how these protons and electrons are arranged in the atom and how protons and electrons are present inside the atom. For this, the first model was given by the Thomson scientist. So, this model is named as Thomson model of an atom. According to Thomson, all the atoms, they are spherical in nature or their shape is sphere. Their shape is like a sphere. They all have spherical shape, and an atom is regarded as a positively charged sphere in which all the protons are present. In this sphere, all the protons are present like this, and the negatively charged species or the electrons, they may be regarded as the pseudid inside the sphere, or all the electrons are embedded inside the positive charge like this. The magnitude of positive charge is equal to the negative charge, or the number of protons should be equal to the number of electrons, so that atom whole is neutral. Here this positive charge, the magnitude of the positive charge as well as the magnitude of negative charge is equal to each other, making atom as a whole is neutral. This model is just like the melon. It resembles with the melon. The reddish part in the melon is resemble with the protons or positively charged, whereas the seeds in the melon, they represents as the electrons or the negative charge. So this model or the Thomson model is also known as the plum-pudding model or watermelon model, as this structure is resemble with watermelon. But there is the limitation of this model, due to which this model is immediately failed, and that limitation is this model could not offer any experimental support for his atomic model. This is all about the theoretical basis. This scientist or Thomson, this scientist was failed to explain this model experimentally. So this model is failed. After this model, another model is formed. That model is Rutherford model of an atom.